This is sort of a hands-on demonstration of putting in the clips for the rear molding around the back glass. I always find this to be sort of exasperating, I really do. But you get the right clips, and I got the right clips from Dead Nuts On. They sent me the correct number. Had them for the front too, and they were different, but they look the same, but they all work, the ones on the front work fine. But you can see the green ones, and they're the clips that go down on little pins. Let me show you a pin. Here's a pin right there. Now, you can see it. It's hooked on the pin, and this is the little clip that the molding goes down beside. Now, what you'll notice here is I have a piece of plastic that's between the body and the clip. Now I do that because sometimes when the clips go in, they scratch the paint. And what do you use? Well, I used to work in a drugstore, pharmacy, years ago, and we had these little shelf tickets, little clear shelf tickets that we could put in the groove of the shelves. We could stick stickers on them. We don't use them, didn't use them anymore. When we got rid of them, I brought them home. And you can tell it's a little piece of plastic. I think it's like 7 mil thick. I'm not sure, but that's the size of it. And the size really doesn't matter. If I can get it over something, you can see it. Anyway, comes in a little stack like that, and that's probably 30, 40 there. It used to be the whole thing was full, and I've used down to it. And this is my last ones, and I actually thought I was gonna run out. So I ordered some more. Excuse the chatter of the video. I ordered some more from Amazon. Luckily, you can buy anything you want on Amazon. And this is the clear price channel chips. $250, they're like $8. And they're a little bigger, but the size doesn't really make any difference as long as you got something to go between the clip right here and the body. And then when you notice, the actual molding will slide between the plastic and the clip, not scratching the paint. That part goes down, that goes on the pin, and this is the part that slides up against the molding, the lip in the molding, right here. And hold it in. Anyway, I'm sure there's a special tool for putting it in, but what I found is that a regular plastic Christmas tree popper that you get, you can buy them anywhere. They're cheap, you can get them at Harbor Freight. And that's one, but if you notice, the original ones, they got a L in it. And I'll show you I have two. I'll show you the original one with the original bend. There, see, see how it's bent? See that little hook in it? That head is the right width of those clips. So I straightened that one out. Get it out. Still got a little hook at the end, but that works well to sort of get in there and push them down. And I'm gonna do the last one here and probably a couple of these. I got like 4 or 5 more to do. And I'll video that, and hopefully it won't go sideways, but all the other ones have gone in perfectly. And maybe you might come across this as someday you need to do it. This might help you. Hold on now, I'll be back. I hope I have it set up so you can see now. I think I had that upside down a while ago. So I pull one of these clips. I'll use the one I showed you right here. And I'll set it on the pin, right there. I'll pull one of these plastic things out. And I know you can't see it, but believe me, I got it in my hand. And I balance it right there. Then, magic tool. I use the curve towards it pop it on it. Pick it up, put it back where, and then I just pop it. There, just like that. And it's a little tight. That's the way you want it. They're all that a little tight. And of course you can pull them right out once you finish. I'll do a couple more just to press my luck. Pull another one. Set it in there like that. And there you go. There's another one. I got 3 more to do. I'll try to do those for you since I'm on a roll here. There you go. Boy, am I proud of that. And I'm glad it's over. So, all these are done, and the next thing you do is, I'm gonna put a little sealant in here to just double seal the gasket, and then I'll come along with my molding right here. Got it spread all out here in front of me. And I'll pop it in, and it pops right in this little lip. And with any luck, it'll look just like the front ones. Front one was pretty easy because it's not a gasket. 69 is a glue-in windshield, but it went together very nicely. It's a very satisfying feeling to hear them click in and fit right. Anyway, that's a little tip that I do, and it's a little hands-on. I know I haven't done a whole lot of hands-on this car when I'm videoing. Mostly it's just updates. But there's one thing I did. Hope you gathered something from it. And if you have any comments or questions, please let me know. Thank you. Okay, previously we were talking about putting into clips. And since it took 2 hands, actually it took 3 hands, but I had to make do. Here's the molding. I popped it in. Use some sealant around the gasket, just a little bit. Urethane. Stuff can get messy. And here's the finished product. It's installed. Everything clipped in. So that's where we are. Thanks again. Bye.